Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, reshaping how the world works every day. From factories to offices, tasks once done by humans are now automated by smart machines. This shift is raising a big question for millions of workers across industries worldwide. Will AI replace human jobs entirely or simply evolve the roles we play in the economy? Automation already powers chatbots, logistics, design, analytics, and even medical tools. As AI becomes more capable, it will affect both manual and white-collar professions alike. Some predict mass unemployment, while others believe new job categories will emerge soon. The truth lies in understanding how AI changes not just work, but the meaning of work. In this video, we explore how automation is reshaping the future of human employment. Let's dive into the trends, risks, and opportunities in the age of intelligent machines. 1. The jobs most at risk from AI automation in 2025. Routine jobs with repetitive tasks are the first to be replaced by automation systems. Data entry, cashier work, telemarketing, and basic logistics are already being automated. AI handles pattern recognition, scheduling, and even customer service more efficiently. Fast food, warehouse work, and driving face growing pressure from robotics and smart tools. As machines get cheaper and smarter, businesses are shifting to cost-saving automation. Jobs that rely on consistency rather than creativity are most vulnerable to being replaced. Understanding which roles are fading helps workers prepare for smarter career planning. 2. White-collar jobs are also being transformed by AI. It is not just factory workers who are seeing changes in the world of AI and automation. Accountants, analysts, writers, and even lawyers are seeing parts of their work automated. AI can draft reports, analyze data, write emails, and generate legal summaries accurately. Many professionals are shifting to roles that require more strategy, emotion, and judgment. While entire careers may not vanish, large portions of work are becoming machine-assisted. This shift demands that office workers learn to collaborate with AI rather than compete. Knowledge-based work is no longer safe from disruption in the automated world of tomorrow. 3. AI will create new jobs we cannot imagine yet. History shows that every wave of automation created new careers and industries each time. The rise of the internet created web developers, content creators, and digital marketers. AI will do the same by opening roles in ethics, data training, prompt design, and oversight. People will be needed to teach, guide, and audit AI systems in sensitive and risky sectors. Entire industries will rise around managing, securing, and improving AI-based technologies. Jobs like robot mechanics, AI ethicists, and synthetic data creators are just the beginning. Adapting quickly to these emerging fields will be key to future-proofing your career path. 4. Emotional intelligence will be the human advantage. While AI can process data, it still lacks true emotional understanding and empathy today. Jobs in caregiving, therapy, coaching, and teaching will rely heavily on human connection. Leadership, collaboration, intuition, and ethics are areas where humans still outperform AI. Careers that depend on soft skills will continue to thrive even in highly automated systems. Empathy, creativity, and social awareness are difficult for machines to fully replicate. The future favors those who blend emotional intelligence with digital literacy effectively. Human-centered roles will be irreplaceable as automation spreads through technical fields. 5. Creative careers will evolve but not disappear. AI can now generate music, artwork, blogs, and even full videos with surprising speed. But that does not mean artists, writers, or musicians will be pushed out of the picture. Instead, creatives will use AI as a tool to accelerate, enhance, and evolve their work. New forms of collaboration will emerge where human ideas and machine execution combine. Audiences still crave human storytelling, emotion, originality, and cultural perspective. Creators who adapt to AI tools will produce more and explore ideas faster than ever before. Art will not die, it will transform into something even more dynamic and collaborative. 6. Freelancers and solopreneurs will gain new opportunities. AI tools help individuals do the work of entire teams by automating design or writing tasks. This opens doors for freelancers to build businesses faster and compete with large firms. Platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva AI make professional output widely accessible. Solopreneurs can now create, market, and scale digital products or services with less cost. Time-saving automation gives small creators more freedom to innovate and build new revenue. Those who learn how to combine AI with business strategy will lead the next digital wave. Freelancing powered by AI will become one of the biggest shifts in future work dynamics. 7. Education and training must evolve with AI progress. The traditional education model does not prepare students for AI-driven workforces ahead. Schools must teach adaptability, problem solving, coding, data literacy, and entrepreneurship. AI training tools can personalize education and help students master concepts faster. Lifelong learning will be essential as jobs shift and new skills become critical each year. Micro courses, boot camps, and certifications will replace outdated degrees in many sectors. Employers will value agility and proof of skill more than just diplomas and job history. Learning how to learn will be more important than memorizing facts in the AI era of work. 8. Governments will face pressure to redefine employment policy. As AI changes work, governments will need to rethink laws, taxes, and worker protections. Universal basic income is being tested as one response to potential mass unemployment. Social safety nets and job retraining programs must be updated for the post-automation age. Labor laws may need to address AI accountability, human oversight, and workplace fairness. Unions and advocacy groups will push for ethical deployment of machines in key industries. Public policy will shape how fair or chaotic the future of employment becomes for millions. How governments respond to AI disruption may decide economic stability in the coming years. 9. Companies will value humans who can work with AI tools. In the new workplace, AI skills will be as important as computer or communication skills. Workers who understand AI tools will outperform those who resist automation completely. Jobs will shift from doing tasks to designing systems that do the tasks more efficiently. Companies will hire people who think critically, ask better questions, and guide machine logic. Knowing how to prompt AI, analyze output, and improve workflows will be a high-value skill. Employees who leverage AI to get more done will rise faster and earn more across sectors. The best jobs will go to people who treat AI as a partner, not as a threat to their role. 10. The future of work is human and machine together. AI will not wipe out jobs completely, but it will permanently change what work looks like. Some careers will vanish, others will evolve, and new ones will emerge that we do not expect. The challenge is not if AI will replace us, but how we choose to adapt and stay relevant. We must build a future where machines handle repetition and humans focus on creativity. Success will come from balance, upskilling, and bold thinking about what work really means. Workplaces that merge AI efficiency with human values will be the most successful long-term. The age of AI is not the end of jobs, it is the beginning of a new way to work and thrive. Drop a comment and tell us what you think will happen to jobs in the next 10 years. Like this video if it gave you new insight and helped you think about the future of work. Subscribe for more videos on tech, innovation, and preparing for tomorrow today. Thanks for watching and keep building a smarter path forward for your career and life.